Hello everyone, welcome to SOARLON Maritime. Today, we will bring you 3 innovative products of our company. First product, SOARLON Anti-Corrosion Coating. This coating is to isolate carbon steel shafts from seawater, preventing the shafts from seawater corrosion. Meanwhile, this coating is unfriendly to marine growth. Second product, SOARLON Water Lubricated Bearings. SOARLON is a kind of cross-linked thermosetting elastomer resin. The bearing uses overboard water as the lubricant, and is available in 2 grades, STD for marine and UW or for river. Both versions feature low wear, low noise, melt resistance, long service life, ease of machining and installation, as well as pollution-free. In typical marine applications, SOARLON can be used for as rudder bearings and stern tube bearings. The difference between SOARLON bearings and some other water lubricated bearings lies in the following. The material of our product has high tensile strength and low surface hardness. In case of fishing nets entangling the stern shaft and blocking the water outlet, or failures in the water supply system, both of which cause interruptions in the supply of lubricating cooling water, SOARLON bearings, with their cross-linked structure reinforced composite lubricating layer design, meet the thermal management mechanism requirements. They automatically release hydrophilic lubricating factors to resist the thermal melting and collapse caused by high temperature overheating, thereby offsetting part of the hydrolysis risk and enhancing the safety of the ship's propulsion system. Third product, Water Supply Unit. The function of this device is to provide sufficient and clean lubricating cooling water for the water lubricated stern bearing. The working principle of the water supply unit is to draw natural water via a water pump, and use high-efficiency cyclonic separation technology to efficiently separate abrasive particles from the water. The treated clean water is then supplied to the bearing system for use. This prevents abrasive dirties from scratching both the bearings and shafts. The solid-liquid separation efficiency of this cyclone separator is as high as over 98%. Another function of the unit is to monitoring the flow rate of the cooling water. Besides of the flow rate monitoring, if required, water temperature, bearing wear can also be measured with sensors. Compared to the traditional oil lubricated bearing system, the cost of water is so tiny and the water lubricating system is really pollution-free. The water supply unit adopts a dual pump design, which can significantly increase the operational fault tolerance of the equipment. When failure happens on the running pump, the standby pump will automatically start to keep on supplying water to the bearing system. This ensures no risk of water stop, and high temperature in stern tube, eliminates the need to worry about ship shutdown caused by water supply issues, and significantly reduces maintenance time, workload and costs. The original aspiration behind our company's product design is to always respond to the policy call of the national building a modern water transportation system, and center around the 4 core concepts of green, low carbon, intelligent and safe. So far, we have successfully obtained patents and certifications from various institutions. Among them, we hold 5 international patents, and since it established, SOARLON have gained favor from numerous ship owners. As the intensity of the water network strategic layout continues to increase, regarding the green environmental protection of inland river ships and port mooring safety, our company's SOARLON bearings and water supply unit are highly suitable for environmental protection in inland water areas. We will continue to refine our process technology to ensure that every ship can sail efficiently, reliably and safely on water transportation routes.